Please remember the essence of Eagelism. Eagelism is a state of relationship or the building of relationships.
Nakakaasa kayo, laging bukas ang aking opisina para sa inyo. Tutulong ako lalo na para sa kabutihan ng kapwa natin Pilipino.
So yan lang ang aking mensahe, mga kuya. Once again, congratulations sa lahat ng mga kuya na nandito. Sana magawa natin ang purpose ng Agila.
Set Eagles Magna Carta in its ideals. To the best of my ability and within my power and capacity. So help me God.
Sino ba namang matutulungan ko ulit tayo ng mga kapwa Pilipino, sa mga kuya, sa mga ate, ingat tayo at magiging.
As the ultimate measure of my conduct and judgment relative to my dealings with my club, with the national fraternity, and with my fellow Eagles. So help me God.
Coming together is the beginning. Staying together is a progress. And working together is a success. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay ang Agila.